So today we're going to be house shopping. We're just going to go look at some houses with the realtor today, with our realtor today. And there goes Zara, because she can't hear her. She wants to hear her favorite song. Hold on, Zara. And I'm with Greg, and Zara's in the back. Zoe's at her uncle's house with her cousins, so we're house shopping today, and I'm really excited. We went yesterday and I didn't get to vlog it yesterday because I want to kind of see how it was gonna go, and we were kind of rushed because yesterday is my little baby's brother's birthday party, so we were kind of rushed. But today we have more time and I'm excited to see what's in store. So basically our style, I guess, is like modern new houses. My style is like older homes that maybe have like a modern inside, but we didn't really get to see none of the older homes with the modern inside. We did find one that was like re-renovated, but it's sold already. So yeah, so now we're just gonna go look at some new homes, new construction homes and everything, and we're gonna see how we feel about those today. But we have about, how many months? Like 3 months till we have to find something and sign and pay and move and everything. So you guys will get to see some of the houses that we go look at today, and I'm gonna take you guys with us. So see you guys at the first house. Oh, this is cute. Wait, this was in the pictures, right? I think so. Yeah, I think that's how they had it. It's cute. Yeah, maybe they have it staged. Super cute. This will definitely just be a playroom or an office, huh?
One thing that I liked about this
I don't know.
they didn't give any stipulations, just like go and show. Usually they'll say, all right, so here you go, family room.
I like this.
Yeah, this is
Kitchen. One thing that's good about this one is that you have the office and the dining right here, like separated from like this area, like it's like defined. And what you could do if you wanted to close this off, you know, you could do like the French doors. If you wanted more privacy.
Yeah. So, and if we didn't want this as an office, we can always do like a playroom, you know, for the girls.
Yeah.
I mean, even though it's like, that way you can have your privacy in the living room.
Powder bathroom. This is the bathroom that your guests will use. And then here's the garage. Oh, this is the house. Are you a Cowboys fan?
no.
No. Oh, okay. I was like, who is a Cowboys fan? Okay. Yeah. Greg's like, no.
He's like,
One of my.
Okay, so kitchen. What do you think about the counter space?
yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
And
see, they have
the cabinet.
Yeah, I like the cabinets. I mean, I would add hardware because yeah. Oh, I have that mug. Well, mine says tea and then the other one says coffee, but I have that mug. And so we'll still make this like a smoothie area because that's the only thing you can really put there. And it's like right into the living room. So.
Okay, let's see what the backyard looks like.
Oh yeah, because my mug looks just like that one.
Covered patio, which is really nice. Backyard space.
It's a decent space.
It's decent.
You like it?
I wonder how the
noise.
Yeah.
So you will only be able to hear it in here. Let's step back in so you can see. So if you're outside, obviously you'll be able to hear.
It's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the master. Master bedroom, sitting area.
Oh, and it has a cute little chandelier.
Oh.
What? That's a sitting area.
She's a police.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah, the police are back there. They're trying to shape us. So.
Whoa. That's a huge.
So game room here.
Yeah, this is the one that had the little.
Oh.
theater room.
Okay, yeah. She'll turn this into
Oh, so she just painted the wall white so that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a projector right there. It is like if she just turned one of the bedrooms into that closet space. Wash and dryer here.
Oh, this is cute. That's cute.
Yeah, they got the slider for the closet.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Better than what you were.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I guess if you want.
The dresser on the top of.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh, she must have like kids. It's a good size. Yeah. Yeah. You like
So
it?
they did convert the fourth one to the.
Haha, Zara. Say hi. Zara. Say hi. Nope. She ate all 3 packages. Zara, it's your little pants. You might have to take your pants off now. It's not cold anymore. Wait. The car.
Alright.
Okay. I like this entryway.
Yeah.
Because you're not like walking straight into something.
So you have your coat closet there.
Oh, cute little closet. You want to hold
What
this?
is this?
What, her hair? Oh, slobber.
That was on top of her head?
I
And you have
guess.
a linen closet here. First bedroom. It's a good size.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to
So
find it?
this bathroom will service these 3 bedrooms.
Okay. That's a pretty decent closet. Oh, this is a good size. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot
That
of.
one is the largest out of the 3.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, it doesn't have a
definitely.
lot of natural light. It has a little. I guess because the house right there.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. I like the floors.
You wanna walk? Look,
I'm gonna go the car.
The loud one. Show me the light.
We're gonna drop you off with Nina. Oh wow. Okay, I like this. This is so. I like this. I like all this space.
So you have your living room here, formal dining here.
Wow. I like this space. Oh, and there's an island. I didn't see this. Did we see this one? I remember seeing this. I don't remember seeing this.
I don't even know.
Oh, and there's a pantry.
And
Yeah.
then you have the breakfast area here.
Yeah.
What you know about the counter space? Is it?
No, Greg, it's enough. Yeah, this is good.
The
'Cause-
island, you have the island here.
yeah, because you can always put like something there and then have our other things there.
Area here. Check out the.
It's good. That's a good space.
Yeah.
And this could always be extended, like if one day you guys wanted to like solidify this and make this more of like a patio instead of like a just a walk-in.
Oh, I like this. This is yours.
Look.
This is mine.
Look, who's that crying?
Zara.
Are you sleepy? Yeah.
Yes, she is.
Yeah, that's not bad. Where you gonna put your stuff? Okay, guys. So Zara's sleeping or falling asleep, and we are on our way to our 4th house, right, babe? 4th house. I didn't get to show you guys the last house. It was actually like a brand new house that is getting finished built, so it's still under construction, but we were able to walk through and see like the layout and the floor plan and everything. and we really like that one. I was going to show you guys what it looked like, but Sarah was fighting over my camera, and so I didn't get to take my camera inside because she was crying a lot, and it was kind of dangerous trying to walk around in there. But we love the layout and everything, and we may make a few little adjustments while we can before they finish it if we decide on that one. But we're going to go look at the 4th house right now, which it seems like it's closer to your parents' house, huh? Yeah, it may be closer to his parents' house. Zara's taking a nap, or trying to take a nap. Greg is driving again. She just sat up. But when we get there, I'll let you guys see what's going on in that one. So see you guys there.
Okay, so this could be the study.
Okay.
Or dining.
I forgot about you in this camera.
They have it laid out. Okay. Garage.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
The same layout as the other one with floor plan. So living room, dining area, kitchen.
This is nice.
Oh, you see?
Closet. Did she fall out?
Yes.
Here, look.
Watch video.
They'll do it. Why don't you do it every time?
Okay, so this is the master.
Okay.
So this is more like a lighter color that they have available. Looks like. So this one is shower only. I can't remember if the other one had a tub and a shower. I think.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think so.
dude.
Yeah, the restroom was bigger. Yeah.
Okay. And then the closet size looks like it's probably the same size.
It's the other one. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it
It's
is.
a buzzkill.
What?
Yeah, it's shower only.
Shower only.
Yeah. That means I will have to go.
Upstairs if you want to take a
Yeah.
bath.
Okay. They had to get us. I like the cabinets though.
The cabinets, you got gas ovens, stainless appliances.
What you think?
Smaller.
Yeah.
And the other one had a covered patio.
Yeah.
A 20-minute drive.
Gosh, it's so big. This is big.
And so this one is basically the same as the same floor plan as yours.
So where's the extra space coming from?
I believe this room up here
Okay.
is a lot bigger. Again, the room's maybe bigger,
Like a tap, yeah.
a tad bit bigger. The living room downstairs is probably a little bit bigger. So that's
One
where you
sink.
get the square footage from.
It has one sink in here.
Oh, the
Then
one.
And the other one has the double sink.
Yeah.
Listen, how is it bigger space but smaller? Like, why would you do that?
I'm confused. Yeah, that's why I was like, because the laundry room is the same size as the other one.
Look, come see. You have the space
Oh.
To do it.
to do it. Like this looks. I mean, this is just
very
dead space.
unnecessary.
Yeah. Sarah, you like the space?
This is very confusing.
And it was about the same size as this, except it was divided.
Oh,
Alright guys, so we looked at 5 houses today, and I think we might have found our home, but we're gonna give it a little bit more thought in the next couple of days. It's shining in my eye. In the next couple of days, but I think we have found our home, and we're really excited to decide on this. Look at Greg. Greg's nice. Like, we're both kind of stressed because it's a lot of work, and a lot of, like, even just driving to the places and trying to like get there, and you walking through and you're trying to remember everything you want in a home and everything you want in general, and like as far as space. And you have to remember, because if you buy this house, like, there's no going back. Like you're like, oh, I wish we would have had like a media room or an extra room or something like that. And it's like, it's too late. And we want to find like the perfect space for everybody in the house, not just me or not just Greg, not just Zoe, but for everybody. And we finally picked up Zoe. Look at Zoe. Zara's in her car seat, being Zara, hotmess.com. And you guys will see some bits and parts of some of the homes we did look at, but we can't wait. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, you guys are already here, so don't forget to click down below and subscribe, and click that notification bell to get a notification when I post a new video, and check out some of my latest videos like this one you see here.